I'm Caitlin.
This is our dog, Lala. Together, we are flying all across Wisconsin to collect our Fly Wisconsin passport stamps and earn the coveted bomber jacket. So strap in and come along on our adventure as we explore Wisconsin from the air. We are the Flying Stampede.
Warm temps and the quest for some apple cider donuts had us pile in the old Pacer for a quick flight to Orchard Landing in Hanover, Illinois.
115 nautical miles west-southwest of Racine, Orchard Landing is a private grass strip on an apple orchard, of course, and boasts delicious apples, apple cider donuts, and my personal favorite, hard apple cider.
Alright, I'm going to turn my podcast on. Do you need anything?
Nope, I'm good.
Okay.
Oh, there's the Mississippi.
Mighty Miss?
Mighty Miss.
Breaks her heart to think her love is only.
All right, hi, I'm Karen Greiner. We're at Orchard Landing at Merkle Field, just between Hanover and Galena, Illinois, real close to the, we're on the bluffs of the Mississippi, so people don't think to look up high for a runway, but we have a almost 3,000 grass airstrip here. It was built in the 80s by my father-in-law. We have 14 varieties of apples. We pick them throughout the season from end of August to end of October, and we have apple cider donuts, apple turnovers, all kinds of jelly, t-shirts, hats. We love to welcome pilots anytime we're pilots, so we love to have an opportunity to offer something to the aviation community. So, thank you so much.
The fall weather was perfect as we sat outside to enjoy some fresh treats and live music. Their hard apple cider, appropriately named Hard Landing, was delicious.
But I had to wait till we got home to have one, but their non-alcoholic cider was great too.
As we were getting ready to leave, there were a few more aviators on their way into the orchard. Each pilot who flies into the orchard gets a free apple cider donut. The owners of the orchard were super friendly, along with all the visitors and aviators we met. It was easy to see why this is the perfect spot for a $100 apple cider donut.
Oh, that was fun.
Yeah, no kidding.
Dog is laying in the back.
Yep, she's being a good girl.
So what did you think of the apple orchard?
Loved it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love those kinds of places. Live music, good food and drinks, beautiful day, the people that I love.
Right. We are pretty cool.
Yeah, met some cool people, pilots.
Yeah. Some neat pilots. cider was super good. The hard cider was good too.
It was delicious. Can't wait to drink another one.
So what's better, that cider or Angry Orchard?
Oh my gosh, there's no comparison.
Racing traffic 74 with the kilo, 5 to the west southwest, inbound 14 racing. Traffic 7 front to Hill, turning final 14 racing.
410-04.
Adventures don't always have to be to faraway places. Sometimes the best ones are right in your own backyard.